In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove objects in MT5. If you've been drawing lines, shapes, or adding indicators to your MetaTrader 5 charts, things can start to look cluttered pretty quickly. Being able to remove those objects cleanly is important so you can focus on price action and analysis without distractions. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through a simple way to do it using the chart menu and the properties window. Start by opening MetaTrader 5 and making sure you're on the chart where you want to remove objects. This could be any instrument or time frame. Once your chart is visible, move your mouse over the main chart area. You don't need to click on a specific object yet. Instead, simply right-click anywhere on the chart background. This right-click is how you access the context menu, which gives you quick options related to that specific chart. After you right-click, you'll see a small menu appear next to your cursor. From this menu, look for the option labeled Properties and left-click on it. The Properties window is where you control many visual aspects of the chart, including how objects are displayed. Depending on your MT5 theme, this window might appear in the center of the screen or slightly off to the side, but it should pop up right away. Inside the Properties window, you'll notice several tabs along the top or side, such as Common, Colors, and possibly an Objects or Show tab, depending on your version. Take a moment to look around this window so you understand what you're changing. The goal here is to follow the on-screen prompts related to objects. These may include options to show or hide objects, reset certain settings, or manage how they appear on the chart. Carefully read each option and description. If there is a setting that controls hiding or clearing objects from the chart, select it or enable it as instructed. MT5 usually provides brief explanations or tooltips when you hover over an option, so use that to confirm you're choosing the right setting. Once you've adjusted the relevant options, click OK or Apply to confirm your changes. You should immediately see the effect on your chart. Objects that were cluttering your view should now be removed or hidden, leaving you with a cleaner, more readable chart. If something doesn't look right, you can always right-click again, open Properties, and adjust the settings further until the chart appears exactly how you want it.